Today I am going to show you how to use /fill command. Let's start with just a flat surface. Like where is it? I want to extend these fences. No, not fences. Let's do this. These hay bales from here, it's a little bit laggy than the way. Let's go to video settings. It's there. Yeah. Now it's a little bit faster. See? Here to here. Now we want to fill it. Now first we need to get the coordinates. Then you can just do /fill fill. Then tab 3 times. Then enter. And go to the second location. Do the same. Yes, let's do it. Let's /fill fill. Is my caps lock on. fill. Hey, why is my caps lock on? Fill. Tab. Enter. Let's go to the next location. And why did / and the up arrow will help you. Tab. Now it's correctly done. Now what do you want to fill? I want to fill HJY hay block. Done. It just filled it. This is it. Now let's do the fill replace command. It is first, let's take this coordinate /fill fill. Tab. Enter. Now if you are in air, it will be like kinda like this. I can't even fly. /fill epi type type equals not player, not Minecraft player. And if I do this, every entities will die. Now I can not fly. I just have to do this right now. Now this is /up arrow. Not if there is one another command you wrote, then do it 2 times. Then tab. Now I can replace the that place was not kinda good. Now let's do here. I want to replace air with what shall I do? Oak planks. Let's do oak planks. Air. It isn't typing here. Replace AIR. Air. Enter. Now It is 1883. How can it be? It just replaces the air. And the cobblestone is still fine. The door is still fine. I cannot even get inside. This is the inside. Inside is all air, that's why it did this. Why is there a brewing stand here? Nobody knows. Now, let's do the destroy command. Fill destroy. In this thing, it's easy. Slash fill, tap. Why isn't tap, enter. Then if you are flying here, like slash kill address type equals not yer. I just type a command. You can also type that to get rid of the all other. Do it. I am going to do it because there are slimes. They can again respawn, not respawn. They can do that. Yes. This is another one. Coordinates slash up arrow. Do times tap. I want to destroy it again. It just places and directly destroys. See, it placed and destroys. Destroyed it. Wait, why? It placed it, destroyed it. What's the dirt here? Oh, that's why. It placed it and it destroyed it. This got destroyed. If you do a normal fill command, then it would not drop the items. Now it's all dropping. It dropped just 23 dirt. Because it's dirt there. Now let's do the hollow command. It's easier. Let's slash fill fill tap enter. Why am I not slash I cannot do it. I will just build a tower. Now let's get this slash up arrow. Tap. Now I want to place what? Oak planks. Then hollow. Then backspace. Now it's all filled. But if you look at the inside, it's just hollow inside. This is the hollow command. You can use this for buildings. It's easier. Now, if you want the roof, you can just put a normal fill command and it will come. Now, let's do the outline command. This is 1. This is 1 point. Slash FILL fill. Tap tap tap. Enter. Then do this. Slash up arrow. Tap tap tap. Then you need to put any block you want. Acacia planks. Now I can outline it. Outline it. Wait. Why did I? It's just hollow, but if there is anything in the way, it will keep those. This is also useful if you did the furniture before you building, then this will be useful. Like this. Now the keep command. It is easy. Everything is easy. Then first coordinate here, slash FILL fill, tap tap tap, enter, go here, slash FILL fill, tap tap tap. I didn't even click the up arrow. Then tap tap tap. Then do wait. First we can put anything here. I just put will this anything. Slash up arrow. Then I want to do acacia planks again. Then I want to do keep. Keep, enter. I'm gonna run now. Now, if you look at the inside, it's just the outline command. See, I placed this dirt. All the dirt is here. Now, this is all of the commands. Now, bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.